Look at that. Mm? I always complain of smoke, but it will be forever part of me, part of cooking. In an African setup, whenever you see smoke from a certain kitchen, it means that something good is cooking. And right here, we are going to prepare a very delicious. This one is going to be lit, okay? If you've never tried this recipe, guys, you really don't know what you are missing a lot. You're missing a lot. Am I the only one who has realized this, or who has discovered this? Guys, nowadays YouTube is getting strict. I don't know why, but we are trying as much as possible not to get ourselves in such troubles, okay? So that part of and plucking the feathers, I omitted it. So we are going to get right to the recipe of the day, and I'm so glad that I'm going to take you through all the steps. We are not going to skip anything. This is a raw video today. If you're new here, you're so much welcome. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel. My beautiful name is Lobito, and this is Everything with Lobito. You are highly appreciated and welcome to my channel. And to my returning viewers, my subscribers, my loyal family, thank you so much for always keeping it low. Let's get to the recipe. So let me bring my chopping board. The chopping board is here. Okay, I want to let you see what I'm doing right there. Guys, you see, very soft, meaning it won't take much of our time. You see the turnout? Yeah, after splitting it into pieces, that's how it looks. Right away, I'm going to wash, a thorough wash. Hygiene is a must. Okay, guys, you are really going to love this recipe. You are going to love it. You don't know how to prepare yours. This part, normally where I come from, it's preserved for men. But if you don't have a man in picture, there is a dad, a brother, big brother, elder brother, you can eat it, but I've never tasted it. This one too, the most important part, the gizzard. Okay, disclaimer, not all tribes do that, but I'm trying to share with you what I know from my tribe. So guys, after I'm done washing it like that, let me show you. We are going to place our cooking pot to the Meko 3-stoned fireplace, and then pour in our chicken. Our chicken is very soft, so it's not going to take much of the time boiling. But personally, when I want to eat this type of a chicken prepared this way, I love it perfectly prepared, well cooked. Okay, I'm going to add in some salt. and then cover it. So I'm not going to add any water. I'll let it boil with the little water that is in it, okay? So I will see you when it's ready. This one is enough. This Kenyan mchicha slaps so well with that stew. In my language, we call it emboga, but in English, you can call it amaranthus. So guys, our chicken is well cooked, perfectly cooked. The first step of cooking it is to boil. And after it's well boiled, now we are drying it using its own oil. We are not going to add any oil. We are going to fry it until it gives us a very perfect color, okay? We want it to turn golden brown. Let me show you. We want a very nice color. Actually, this is what we want. Let me show you. Out. You see this color? That one. I'll keep on turning it until it gets golden brown. On a low heat, don't put too much because it will burn before it gives you that color. I don't want it to burn. See, Wow. Ooh. It looks nice, right? So we are getting to our second part of the recipe. Inside this cup, I have some crushed ginger. It's a paste of crushed ginger, turmeric, rosemary, garlic. And to it, I'm going to squeeze this lemon. I want to give it a sour sweet taste. All right, I want to squeeze the lemon like that. I'm going to get rid of the seeds. If they fall to my cup, don't worry. And to the fireplace, I have placed the cooking sufuria to heat up some oil, a little bit of oil. Get out. I think it's ready. So I'm going to add my onions like that. I will remain some because I am going to cook my mchicha. We let it cook. We let the onions cook to golden brown. Okay, I told you we are doing things raw, nothing to be hidden, everything to be prepared on camera. Wow, I'm trying to remove the seeds, the lemon seeds. So this is the look. And then our onions are ready. Let me add in the tomatoes, well chopped tomatoes. Let them cook as well as we keep on stirring our paste. We want everything to incorporate so well. We want to balance the sauce, the paste, not the sauce. I'm sorry. Wow, wow, look at that. Looks good. Our tomatoes are well cooked, you can see. So we are going to add in our paste. Wow. Wow. This is super good. And then to our paste now, I'm going to add in, let me use this other wooden stick spoon. Ooh. Looks very colorful, very juicy, very delicious. Look at that. Are you really seeing the outcome? Are you seeing the outcome? We let it simmer for a minute and then we get it out of the fire. As simple as that, you have your well prepared lemon chicken. Wow. So let's prepare our mchicha and then the presentation. To the mchicha, I chopped some red pepper just for taste and color. So let me place it on fire. First, I want to get rid of the water in the mchicha. I want to clear the water completely before I add the onions. It looks like kales, but this is not kales, guys. Okay. To eat, I'm going to add onions and then some cooking oil. Like that. I'll saute the onions and then mix. Then some salt for taste. Mix again. I'm just loving the turnout. Looking very, very delicious. I just want them dry like that. No additional water or cream. Wow. As simple as that. And then the vegetables are ready. So let them out. Wow. It's now the presentation time and enjoying the meal. This is the final look. Welcome and let's enjoy together, guys. This is the end product of our meal.